Brain. Brain is the central information processing organ of our body and acts as the command and control system. The human brain is well protected inside the cranium. The brain is covered by three layers called meninges. It protects the brain, provides nutrients and oxygen to brain tissues through their capillaries. Cerebrospinal fluid is filled the cavity between layers of meninges. An adult human brain weighs about 1350 grams of their body weight. It attains its full size at the age of 6 years. It is well protected in the cranial cavity. In most part of the brain, the gray matter forms the surface while the white matter is located deep in the brain. Parts of the brain. The brain has three primary divisions: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain. The anterior-most part of the brain is called the forebrain. The main parts of the forebrain are cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. There are convolutions on the surface of cerebrum. A deep cleft called longitudinal fissure divides the entire cerebrum into two large hemispheres called cerebral hemisphere. The two cerebral hemispheres are held together and connected by a curved thick band of nerve fibers known as the corpus callosum. Cerebral cortex is the outer layer of the cerebrum. Thalamus. Cerebrum wraps around a structure called thalamus. It is a major coordinating center for sensory and motor signals. Hypothalamus. Another part of the brain is called hypothalamus, lie at the base of thalamus. It is relatively small with just 4 grams in weight. It is highly vascularized. It regulates body temperature and it controls moods and emotion. And it synthesizes the body's essential hormones, coordinate the message from the autonomous nervous system. Next is midbrain. It is located between thalamus and hypothalamus of the forebrain and pons of the hind. The midbrain of human consists of two parts, corpus quadrigemina and crura cerebri. 4 lobes of round masses of neural tissue found on the dorsal region of the midbrain are called corpora quadrigemina. The 2 bundles of nerve fibers found on the ventral side of the midbrain are called crura cerebri. Midbrain and hindbrain form the brain stem. Hindbrain. The posterior part of the brain is called hindbrain. It consists of 3 regions: pons, cerebellum, and medulla. Pons viroli. It possesses the primary structure of the brainstem present between the midbrain and medulla oblongata. It serves as a relay signal between the lower cerebellum, spinal cord, midbrain, and cerebrum and other parts of the brain. The main function of the pons include controlling sleep cycles, regulating the magnitude and frequency of respiration, transfers information between cerebellum and motor cortex. Pons is also involved in sensations such as sense of taste, hearing, balance, etc. Cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain, located in the posterior portion of medulla and pons. Cerebellum and cerebrum are separated by cerebellar tentorium and transverse fissure. Cortex is the outer surface of the cerebellum and its parallel roots are known as folia. Apart from this, cerebellum has the cerebellar pendules, cerebellar nuclei, anterior and posterior lobes. Cerebellum consists of 2 hemispheres, the outer gray cortex and inner white medulla. It is mainly responsible for coordinating and maintaining the body balance during walking, running, swimming, etc. The main function of the cerebellum include it senses equilibrium, transfers information, coordinate eye movements, it enables precision control of voluntary body movements. Anterior and posterior lobes are concerned with skeletal movements. Cerebellum is also essential for making fine adjustment to motor actions. Medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is a small structure present in the lowest region of brain. It mainly controls the body's autonomic functions such as heartbeat, breathing, digestion. It plays a primary role in connecting the spinal cord, pods, and cerebral cortex. It also helps us in maintaining our body posture and controlling our reflexes. Thank you.